Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Forex Black Box. Today I'm going to analyze pound Aussie again. Um, my previous position I took. Um, just to be aware, that position I have listed for a long time and I've been insisting to take it. It was being filled on Thursday, and I wanted just only to take a very small amount of pips, and I exit actually at this spike, uh, 95 pips. I know I didn't wait for the target because I saw that the pound really spiked down. That's how I get out. I did lift my stop loss as it is below this one and take profit. It was just at this spike, at these highs. And I went to get out because it's a very, very sharp move down and another sharp move down. And I did mention that before. I want to see how strong the momentum of going down to my C here, which is by Friday been fulfilled here. So I'm gonna move that now, try to make it look better, which is B will be here. No, let me just put back everything as it was. Excuse me. Okay, let's just do that for now. I need to re-look to the big picture where we're standing and where we take positions. Just I will quickly recap my positions I took after this by the spike down here. I already took some position here, and one here, and I exit at these lows. And I took another position here, and I exit at these highs, at this area here behind. Went back up again, and I took another position to my C, which is expected. After all this, very, very clearly you can see, guys, this is very important to notice. If we spike high like that and start to come back down and making waves, first wave, that's your first chance to get in. That's actually your first chance to get in after that big move. I don't expect it to go move again up, and I did mention that before in my video. It will not continue. There is no solid news or something big, unless it's Trump tweeting and go back up. But we already moved up. We already moved percentage wise. I will show you that in daily now. Uh, just stick to it now. Just that's a technique I'm always using. The visual price action itself. If I remove everything away, you can see very clearly. Going way up. We'll buy exited slowly. Exit here, exit here, exit here. As much as the market can push up, they exit the position and I short and I keep going. Spike back up again, keep going. Consolidation area here is fine, understand. There's no one really know where's the market going until someone come in with a big bucks, big money and push it all the way down. Same goes here, come back again and continue the second order. And it starts to consolidate here, here in this area, and it will go up. Now, why I say go up? Because that's what I wanted, what I expected the market to go up from here, 61%. It can go lower, okay? Look, it can go 78, 88%, 90%. It can break it completely. No one knows where the market go, but that's the high probability is 61%. It obviously went lower than 61%, but let's see. Need to see some kind of price action to determine where we're going from here. So I'm gonna clear this position I took and start fresh. So what I'm expecting, I'm expecting the market to continue back up wave 3, which is the D. Okay, now we have wave 1 extended, really big wave 1, wave 2. If I take this up to here and I put this down here, this is about 77% of this move retracement. Okay, it went to up, retrace back down. Okay, now I'm gonna move to the 4-hour so we can see the bigger picture. So the bigger picture, we should see wave 3 right somewhere here below this area, but not to break it. If it broke this area, we'll continue up. We already talked on daily. If I just go to daily quickly, when we were here, I said it's gonna come up here and play between these two areas and possibly break and come up to 50% of this move, and it will go down for wave two, which he did. So far, moving as planned. So went up, rejection, coming back down. But what I'm worried about, this rejection is really big, kind of big shooting star. But we have one here, even bigger, but didn't go really much. He just retraced back down to this move and continue up again and make waves and keep going. That's the daily view. And in my view, that's went down below the trend line. However, no new low yet been created, and we are at the 77% retracement of this move, all the way down. Then I'm expecting the coming days it will do 1, 2, 3 green, 1, 2, 3 red. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green days, 3 red, 5 and 3 go two different. We should see another 5 green coming up to this area here again, and again to this area here to challenge this high, and finally come up here. So if I'm a day trader, daily or weekly trader, okay, if I'm trading the daily, this is a strategy I use sometime. If I see a good setup, this is a very good setup, 185 pips risk, and I'm reward 680 pips reward, possibly higher to this area here, to that high, 700 pips. Okay, I can have 700 pips reward. I'm risking, say, 200. Make it 200. Just make it simple. 200 pips risk, reward 700. Just the high I'm aiming to, 700. Leave the 10 pips, 700. It can go higher, but that's what I'm risking. When I gotta get out in, and how I monitor this. To get in, you need to look for price action in a low time frame, 1 hour, 15 minute. Then you will 4 hour, obviously 4 hour, 1 hour. That's where you want to take a position and you hold on it for a couple days. We could see a very nice green candle come up here, so that's what I expected the market will do, or maybe Monday. We'll come back up here, test that one, go low a little bit, then after the next day we'll continue up. Then the third day could continue up here and break higher. Could take you a week, 1 week to make 700 pips. I don't know. It's a very good trade for me, very good deal. I like it, and you're risking only 200 pips. That's a good setup on daily. Let me just put this back up here. Even the D, it's at this highs. I'm gonna change the D. I wanna make it 1618. Here we go. Where that stand? 1618. A very nice place. A gap, highs here, highs here. Yeah, I like this trade, and possibly I will take it for a weekly trade, as a weekly trade, not to touch it until reach my target. Yeah, so that's a good, nice trade. We have wave. Why this trade is nice and valuable, valid trade, because we actually broke the previous highs here. If you look here, that spot here, let me just aim this up. I can't move it, sorry. Here you go. That's a new high. Okay, market was going down, 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 then make a new low, then now we broke one, two highs, three highs. We didn't stay, however, we broke it. We pulled back. Now we're coming back up again, and we should make a new high. I expected the new high to be 1618. Okay, not percent why, but it's 1618, the best place to take out this high and try to be below between these two highs, this high and this high. That's what our play will be, between these two highs, which is right in the middle, 50% of it, right on the resistance area, and right on a gap as well. And what else? At two highs, one high on daily obviously is looking better, but that's that's a daily, sorry. If we go to weekly quickly to have a look on weekly, I know weekly doesn't look great. spike up and be rejected all the way down. However, we didn't break a new low. Let's see what next week it will do. Possibly we're going to push up. Possibly if Aussie weak, because Aussie is weak, but pound is weaker as well. But if we see good news of Brexit or any progress, we can see that coming back up. Weekly does look sideways at this point here. We didn't break new low yet since the Brexit. I know bound USD broke new low. We're going down to Brexit flash crash area. That's a flash crash area. Aussie is weak. That's how you know Aussie is weak. And possibly we're gonna see push back up another wave. So that's basically we're engine on weekly. 111. We should see another. We saw this one like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then a size wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5. We should see up to this level. So from here, at these highs, at these lows, 1,000 pips. That could take 3 weeks, a month to get 1,000 pips, or it could take 1 week, or it could take one day to get 500 pips. Bonus is very fast mover, so very crazy on pips. Uh, Not sure I shall show you the news, and let me just refresh that quickly. Okay, so, this is very old. There you go. We have New Zealand news, Sunday, Monday, really nothing. Monday, nothing. Tuesday, high impact, which is Europe. Then after that, on the 13th, which is Tuesday, UK news, high impact, two high impact in 2 days. So in that 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, we will see what's going to happen. So on hourly, as you can see here, we have another wave, corrective wave, impulsive, corrective, and then we should see impulsive wave up. Unless this corrective wave continue all the way down and break that low, then we have a new low being created. Then we need to start to count another 5 waves. So far on 1 hourly here, we've 1, 2, 3, 4, consolidation, 5. Another wave, 1, 2, 2 here. Then the green one's 3, 4, and 5. Broke it. If you want to count on 1 hourly, then you can see that is broken. That means there's another wave being created. Then you should see with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Level up to this level, then consolidation a little bit, then continue up and break higher than the high. So that's my view. That's what I'm looking to do. I'm about 80% long. Well, 70% long. If he's making you low and continue, then we still have. I need to go one time higher, one time frame higher, and I count the wave and see where I'm going. How many wave been created so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then another wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then another wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we broke another wave, but on 4 hour, let's see. Next hour could open low, and if you start to challenge is low, we'll see how much it's going to hold for and continue up, or we're going to break lower. All this going to be start on London Open session, London session open. That's when you're going to see where the market wanted to go. That's where the money fly into. You understand? So if the market London Open and you see that bids, pound is bids and Aussie is weak, then you long pound Aussie obviously. You long pound euro. You long pound dollar because that's where the money people buying pounds and exchange it for the rest of the currencies. So that's where you need to put your money. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna do a couple more videos about pound and pound New Zealand. I'll do pound New Zealand and pound yen. So stay tuned. Please subscribe, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the bell button and share my video, please, if you like it. Thank you very much Have a great day. Bye.